Austin Mayfield here on selling on Amazon, okay? Selling on Amazon. Everybody freaking loves it. They love it. But you could be missing out on a cut of 16% of your profits. Why do I say that? Okay? You could be missing out on an extra 16% in profits if you're selling on Amazon. Why? Why? NLP has a flat 6% per sale. Amazon has a 12 to 22% per sale seller's fee, depending on the category, depending on this, depending on that. NLP is a flat 6%. You might say, Austin, NLP or No Limit Products is not as well known as Amazon. Okay? You are absolutely correct. But let me clue you in on a little fact here. You are probably driving outside traffic to your Amazon store. What does that mean? That means you are paying for Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. No matter what you're paying for ads. Outside traffic, right? Okay? It costs the exact same amount to drive this traffic to NLP as it does Amazon. Very simple, right? NLP is a fully trusted site. Check it out. No Limit Products. Check it out. Fully trusted, HTTPS, everything, You could be missing out on 16% of your profits. So it's worth a check. Everything in the description below, you need to get started. Sell for free your first 30 days. Did I mention 50% commission affiliate program? Check it out. Austin Mayfield, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.